importantly, my fellow fourth-year students. My name is Alberto Gutierrez III. I stand before you not only as a student, but as someone who worked nights, weekend shifts, and early mornings while chasing this much about perseverance. It is about academia. Thank you to the educators who believed we could balance work and study. To employees and colleagues who offered flexible hours. To my family and friends who cheered and support me. Whose support has been my backbone. Balancing full-time work and school is no feat. It's waking up at dawn, attending class, then heading straight to the shift. It is juggling exams with deadlines and fatigues. But it has taught me to invaluable lesson in time management, resilience, and grit. We, non-traditional students, often face more obstacles, yet choose to persevere, demonstrating true determination and growth. To those who may have doubled their ability to pursue education later in life, let me serve as a living testament. It's never too late to learn, to grow, and to achieve. To my fellow fourth-year students who have walked this path with embody the spirits of perseverance. Many of us share their stories of working student, balancing paid slips and papers, full schedules, and full hearts. We are architects of our own futures, chipping away against all odds. Today, we gather to honor not just a milestone, but a journey that reaffirms a profound truth. Education is a lifelong endeavor, outbounded by age. Some of us embark on this academic path straight from high school, while others returns to their classroom after years or even decades, like me. Yet, here we stand together, unified by our shared commitment to growth and learning. Many of us face other challenges along the way. We have gone to school in between working and or taking care of our family. There were times when I am not sure we wanted to give up, when it wasn't so easy to get that homework or paper done, but we did it. As we cross this stage today, this moment isn't ours alone. It belongs to our parents and to the families who believe in possibility over potential, action over doubts. As we step into the next chapter, your unwavering support becomes our wings. The challenges faced by our parents and families have not only tested our resilience, but also highlighted our capacity to innovate and persevere.